Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure data engineering with Databricks, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining what data engineering entails and its importance in today's data-driven world. Explain the role of Databricks in data engineering. Describe the first step, understand the architecture of Databricks. Discuss the importance of the unified data platform and how it integrates with Apache Spark. Next, introduce the concept of secure clusters in Databricks. Explain how to create a secure cluster with the right configurations. Detail the process of enabling secure access to data sources. Emphasize the role of authentication methods, including Azure Active Directory and AWS IAM. Introduce the concept of data encryption both at rest and in transit. Explain how to configure access controls for data using Databricks' built-in features. Discuss how to implement role-based access control for users and groups. Transition to monitoring and auditing. Describe how to set up logging to track access and usage of data resources. Explain how to analyze logs for unusual access patterns as part of security monitoring. Discuss the importance of regular security audits on your Databricks environment. Introduce best practices for data governance within Databricks. Explain how to define data lineage and ensure compliance with regulations. End with a recap of the security measures to implement for effective data engineering with Databricks. Encourage continuous learning and staying updated with Databricks security features and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.